The second classification of polynomials is according to degree. So, according to degree, so kato na po mga exponent niya. So, there are 6 classification of polynomials according to degree. The first one is the constant. As we can remember that constant is just a number, diba? Okay, so the constant is only a numerical coefficient with no literal term. So, for example, you have your 7, may minus 3, or negative 3, or plus 10, o pwede ragulay plus, positive 10, ana. That is your constant. The second one is, this is what we call the linear. The linear is a polynomial with 1 degree. Example, x minus 9, you have there 5x minus 15y plus 3. As you can see that our variables here, like example, kaninga example, ang ato ang variable diri dapit is wala siya exponent nakasulat. And sa ako nang gibalik-balik nga if ang variable gani sa ato ang polynomial is wala gani na siya exponent, pasabot ana naagyo na siya 1 din ha, wala gisulat na ay 1. So mo ni example sa linear, walay gisulat but it's understood to have 1. And in this example, 5x walay exponent, 1 gihapon na diha. Even your minus 15y, ang y walay exponent, to the power of 1 ra gihapon na. So this is belong to the linear. The third one is the quadratic or quadratic. Quadratic is a polynomial in degree 2 or naa siya'y degree nga 2 or na exponent na 2. Meaning, og ato pa na siyang basahon, squared na siya squared. So, example, 5x squared plus 25y plus 5. As you can see, ang ato ang leading term or ang atong gauna nga term, which is in the highest degree niya, is na ay 2 on top, meaning squared, that is belong to quadratic type of polynomial. The fourth one is the cubic. Unsa lang kaha ng cubic? Of course, it is in the degree 3. X cube, mga ingon ana. So, example, x cube plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 1. So, as you can see, our leading term here, iyang power kay 3. Ang gasunod, only 2. Ang ikatulo is wala exponent which is understood to be 1. So, ang atong leading term is x cube, meaning it belongs to the classification cubic. One or the fifth one is the quartic. Quartic, dili ni siya katong continent ha. Quartic is a polynomial in degree 4, meaning ang iyang exponent is to the 4th power. So, example kay x to the 4th plus 5. As you can see that the variable here in our leading term has the exponent of 4. Kung atong basahon, x to the 4th plus 5. And the sixth one is the quintic. So, may queens mga itik. Nunay ato ang clue dihan dapita. Quintic, meaning it belongs or it has in the degree or it is in the degree 5. Meaning, or let us have the example, iyahang mga exponent kay naay to the 5th power. Example, 5y to the 5th plus 3y cubed plus 2. The leading term you have there is 5y to the 5th. 5 ang iyang exponent, so it belongs to the classification quintic. Another example is 5 to the 5th minus x to the 5th minus x to 0. Hala, ang salaman sa to the 0. So, kana ganing exponent nga 0, it is understood to become 1 na siya. So, ato nang i-simplify, mahimo na siyang x to the 5th minus 1. So, naagyapon siya in the degree 5, which is belong to quintic. So, we're going to have the examples of the topic that we had just explained, which is about the degree of the polynomials and everything. So, our first example is we're going to have this example na 2x squared minus 10x to the power of 5 minus 2x cubed plus 3x minus 10. So, we're going to arrange it into standard form. O, kapi tayo. So, kung saan man pag-arrange ganito sa standard form, so ang atong tanawon is ang iyang degree or iyang exponent. So, kung sa may dako din ha, so of course, si 5 gid dako. So, atong kopyahon ang term nga nagdala sa exponent nga 5 or sa exponent nga dako. So, negative 10x to the power of 5, then followed by negative 2x cubed, then positive 2 man na, so plus 2x squared, minus or plus 3x, then minus 10. So that is the standard form of our given example. So now, what is our leading term? So ang atong leading term, ang atong basihan is ang atoang standard form na nga polynomial. So ang atoang leading term is negative 10x to the power of 5. Then what is the leading coefficient? So mo man atong leading term, so ang atoang literal or atoang leading coefficient is negative 10. And our degree of polynomial, ang atoang exponent, which is 5. So, kay 5 man na, unsalan may iyahang classification. So, quintic type of polynomial. So, that is an example. So, the next examples will be about the classification of polynomials according to its degree. So, our first example is x cubed plus 3. So, ang atuang exponent is 3. So, asa man na belongs? So, it belongs to cubic. Belongs to you. The number 2, you have 2x to the 4th plus 3x plus 4. Our exponent is 4. Therefore, that belongs to quartic. Dili siya quadratic. It's quartic. Then, you have there ang number 3. 5x squared y cubed plus 3x to the 4th minus 2. Take note that the degree of the polynomial can be the sum of the exponents of the leading term. So, 2 ug 3, so that is 5. So, mas dako gyud siya compared ani nga 4. So, kay 5 man ni, our classification is quintic. Next is 3y to the 4th plus 3x cubed minus 1. So, our degree again is 4, that is quartic. And this one, 17 ra. Unsa laman to in 17? That is constant. Saba kay suwali. Then kani, x to the power of 0. So again, if 0 gani ang exponent sa ato ang given, meaning ana, ang 0 man na, so pasabot, 1 na siya diha, matik. So 1. So, therefore, kay 1 man na, automatic na siya mahimong 1, so mahimo na siyang constant. So, kung moingon po tag linear, ang example po sa linear is example 2x. So, wala exponent. So, wala man exponent, so that is linear. The next one is about similar terms or like terms. Similar term or like terms, nara na siya siyang word similar, so parihas, like parihas. So meaning nga kanang similar or like term are terms having the same literal coefficient. Having the same literal coefficients. So what are these? So examples, you have number 1, 3x squared and negative 5x squared. So ang gihisgutan diring dapita kay literal coefficient. Dili na siya numerical. So literal meaning ang iyahon nga variables ang gipasabot ani diring dapita kung moingon kag literal. So variables. So kani 3x squared o x squared kani po negative 5x squared pareho siyang x squared. Therefore they are like terms. So kung another, moingon ka nga 2x cubed y squared and negative 4x cubed y squared. Again, x cubed ug y squared parehas sila, so therefore they are like terms. If your term has or don't have the same literal coefficient, so malamang kabaliktaran siya sa unang given nga similar or like term. Therefore, kani gitawag na ni siya og unlike term. Kay dili man sila parehas og this ng literal coefficient or ang variable has ng iyang exponent. So what are the examples? So no, example number 1, you have there 3x squared and 3x cubed. So squared ni, cube ni, so di gid na siya parehas. So they are unlike terms. Another 4x squared y squared and 4y cube x squared. X squared y squared ni kani y cube x squared, so they are unlike terms. Unya, there are instances nga maglibog ka, mabaliktad, magtuo ka nga parehas ra kay parehas og letters para po exponent, pero di ay balitad. So for example, 2x squared y cube nya ang usa kay 2y cube x squared. Parehas siya og variables, pero dili man siya parehas og parehas og arrangement. So dili na siya unlike gihapon na kay dili man na sila parehas og itsura. Though parehas siya nga x squared, nya y squared, pero gabay luman, so dili gyud na siya parehas.